As an entrepreneur, you take the risk. You invest the capital. You sacrifice your time, your comfort, your peace to build something from nothing. And yet the system tells you, if you've earned something, come pay us first. Today, in modern economies, the biggest and most consistent partner of any business owner is the government. And this partner doesn't invest in your idea, doesn't share your losses, doesn't bear your risk, but always takes a cut at every stage of your profit. The real scenario: what happens to 100 units of income? If you earn 100 units of gross revenue in a leading global economy as a business owner, here's how much is left after the system takes its share. USA, Delaware LLC, corporate tax 21%, dividend tax 15%, personal income tax 24%, sales tax 8.5%, net spending power 46.70 units, total tax paid 53.30 units, United Kingdom, corporate tax 25%, dividend tax 8.75%, personal income tax 20%, net spending power 43.80 units, total tax paid 56.20 units, Germany, total corporate and local tax 30%, dividend tax 26.375%, personal tax 30%, VAT 19%, net spending power 29.22 units, total tax paid 70.78 units, Canada, corporate tax 26.5%, dividend tax 25%, personal tax 29%, consumption tax 13%, net spending power 34.05 units, total tax paid 65.95 units, France, corporate tax 25%, dividend tax 30%, personal tax 30%, VAT 20%, net spending power 29.40 units, total tax paid 70.60 units, Singapore, low tax benchmark, corporate tax 17%, dividend tax 0%, personal income tax 22%, GST 8%, net spending power 59.56 units, total tax paid 40.44 units. So why does this happen? Because in today's economic system, governments are silent shareholders, and they take tax at 4 levels of your value creation: from your corporate profit, from dividend distribution, from personal income, from your final consumption. And here's the irony: these burdens are never reduced. In fact, whenever there's a crisis, a pandemic, war, financial crash, or natural disaster, governments show up not to ease your load, but to add temporary taxes that become permanent. Financial literacy is your only armor. If you don't train yourself financially, if you don't question the system, if you remain obedient and blind, you will spend your life working endlessly and wondering where your money went. Because this system thrives on blind consumers, silent taxpayers, and obedient economic units. Be aware. Be different. This is not about tax evasion. This is about tax awareness. Knowing your rights. Understanding global systems. Protecting what you build. Entrepreneurship isn't just about creating value. It's about learning how to keep it. So here's the truth. If you want to survive in this system, learn financial strategy. Study taxation globally. Don't memorize numbers. Understand structures. And most of all, and never stop educating yourself. This message is not financial advice. It is built solely for awareness and education. On behalf of Reborn Brotherhood, I stand with those who build. And I say this clearly: you are not alone. You are not wrong. You are not weak. You are just finally aware. We rise together.